Have you ever wondered if your money is safe with Ally Bank? With the rise of cyber threats, it's a valid concern. So, has Ally Bank ever been hacked? Let's dive into the details. Ally Bank has established itself as a reliable online bank, offering a range of financial services. But like any financial institution, it's essential to consider its security measures. In this video, we'll explore the security measures Ally Bank has in place to protect your money and personal information. Ally Bank's security measures. Robust encryption. Ally Bank uses advanced encryption technologies to safeguard your sensitive information, making it extremely difficult for hackers to intercept or decode your data. Firewall protection. Strong firewalls act as a shield, blocking unauthorized access to Ally Bank systems and preventing malicious attacks. Regular security audits. Ally Bank conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities, ensuring that its systems are always up to date and secure. Fraud monitoring. Ally Bank employs advanced fraud detection systems to monitor account activity for suspicious behavior. If any unusual activity is detected, the bank takes immediate action to protect your funds. Data privacy. Ally Bank adheres to strict data privacy regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA, to safeguard your personal information. Customer education. Ally Bank actively educates its customers about online security best practices, empowering them to protect themselves from cyber threats. Has Ally Bank ever been hacked? To the best of our knowledge, Ally Bank has not experienced a significant data breach that has compromised customer information. However, it's important to note that no financial institution is entirely immune to cyber threats. Tips to protect your account. Strong, unique passwords. Create strong, unique passwords for your Ally Bank account and other online accounts. Avoid using easily guessable information like birthdays or pet names. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA 2FA adds an extra layer of security by requiring a second form of verification, such one as a code sent to your phone, in addition to your password. 2. 1. InsationTech.com. InsationTech.com. 2. News.yahoo.com. News.yahoo.com. Be cautious of phishing attempts. Be wary of suspicious emails, texts, or phone calls that ask for your personal information. Never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Monitor your account activity. Regularly review your Ally Bank account activity for any unusual transactions. Report any suspicious activity to the bank immediately. Keep your software updated. Ensure that your computer, mobile devices, and browser are updated with the latest security patches to protect against vulnerabilities. Conclusion. Ally Bank has implemented robust security measures to protect its customers' information. While no system is completely foolproof, by following best practices and staying vigilant, you can significantly reduce the risk of cyber attacks. If you're concerned about the security of your online banking, consider using a reputable bank like Ally Bank. Its commitment to security and customer satisfaction makes it a reliable choice for your financial needs. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.